Trim and retaining pieces will be in bundles of uniform sizes and must be cut to fit the final space. Measure the lengths between the posts at the inside edges, recording the measurements as you take them. Using assistance to stabilize each piece, carefully cut them to the measurements you have taken. Apply and secure trim retainer using the provided self-tapping screws. Utilize the orientation shown for guidance on inserting the trim pieces. Next, add trim pieces and lock them into place with the mallet, making sure that the trim piece is properly seated. Utilize the same process for all sides. Repeat this process around the edges of all interior and exterior panels.